In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 winning dropshipping products that are making $100,000 every single month and that you can sell to make $100,000 in the next 6 months, as well as one product that has made more than $1 million in the past 30 days. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 amazing dropshipping products that you can go ahead and sell yourself right now to make $100,000 or more in the next 6 months in the rest of this year. It's been exactly a month since I released my top 22 products to dropship in 2019. That video has gone absolutely crazy. More than 23,000 people have watched that video. So I decided 1 month later to make a new winning products video so you can see what products are selling out there and what products you can sell if you're struggling with your product research for Shopify and for dropshipping. And before we start, as always, I want to invite you to my free 0 to 10,000 per month masterclass on Shopify. Check out the first link in the description. I teach you the exact strategy that my students pay a lot of money for to go from 0 to 10,000 per month every single month, as well as I give out free one-on-one consulting calls in every single video. All you have to do is comment secrets down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be entered to win. All right, the first product that I want to show you are these adjustable focus glasses. They're absolutely going viral on Facebook. They have more than 5.4 million views in just 3 weeks with a massive number of engagement here. You can see 46,000 likes, 23,000 shares. Just an absolute blowing up video, and we're gonna watch it right here. So you can see they can adjust how they see, and I'm kind of skeptical as to how well they work, and they've been only running for 3 weeks. Probably they just shipped out the first couple products, so we'll see what the reviews are, but they just went absolutely crazy. If we go to the page right here, let's watch the rest of the video. It's a really short video just explaining, hey, if you adjust the glass, you can see properly. Very, very cool video. And down here, the company Full Crate, if we go to the page right here, they're selling well. The page looks pretty good. It has a nice description showing you the product with GIFs, showing you the product with images, just very well telling you what the product does and what it uses, easy to use, and how to do it, more versatile, stylish as well. So a lot of prescription glasses. The problem with them is that they look either horrible, or they don't work properly, or they're super expensive. So they're cutting into those 3 problems: the price, the look, and then the adjustability. So how easy it is to actually use them. You can go through the page. It's all in the description down below. And if we go to sales source and click analyze store to see how much they're making, you can see they started 2 months ago, and based on their traffic, Salesforce estimates that they're making $96,000 to $192,000 per month, and their best-selling product are these glasses, and they were added 22 days ago. It's honestly crazy how this company was able to launch a product a little bit over 3 weeks ago and make that much money, absolutely explode, right? Probably this is a little bit inflated. They aren't making $200,000. They just started making $200,000. They started 2 months ago, launched this ad that has gone absolutely viral. So I definitely recommend you look into this product, you check how viable it is for your store, and you start selling it. If we go on AliExpress, this is the actual product. They're probably now using a dropshipping agent. This only has 403 orders. They probably tested it on AliExpress. Let's see if it works. It works. All right, let's go with a dropshipping agent or a fulfillment center, whatever it is, but you can go to the link right here and you can see it's the exact same glasses, and there's multiple listings for them, and you can see here all the images. If you go again and you look for adjustable prescription glasses, you can find a lot of them on AliExpress. This one right here, this one, and then in the bottom you can find a few other ones. If you want to sell these, go ahead and try it. What I would recommend is to go on Facebook, create a video just like the one I just showed you. Let's go back to that video of Full Crate, and then just basically show off the product, how it works, somebody using it, adjusting to read something, just like in this video. Create a little video like that, and then I would target either lens crafters and other prescription glass brands, or just glasses brands like Lens Crafters, 1-800 Contacts, just huge contacts and lens brands, or actual lens designers like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Versace. Obviously, these are not gonna be very specific because a lot of people like Oakley that not necessarily need a prescription glass or not necessarily need glasses, but it's a bet. On Facebook, the best one would be targeting the main producers like LensCrafter, 1-800-Contacts, and then the designers. And little quick note, on YouTube, subscriptions don't matter that much anymore. So if you subscribe, also hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I release new videos. It's important that you hit that bell. Thank you. The second product I want to show you is this easy sandblaster. You've probably seen it running out there. I talked about it in my last video, the top 22 products. I talked about it. And right after, somebody launched this ad and they're going absolutely crazy. They have more than 1.9 million views, and you can see here about a month ago, 6.4 thousand likes, 2.2 thousand shares. So they are running this ad right here, and you can see how it works. Use it with sand, it's lightweight, and you can see a little bit of how it works. It removes dust, it removes pretty much anything that you want to remove from a metal or just any type of rust or anything like that. In the bottom it says, simply sandblast away rust, paint, and dirt. Also, paint is a big one. If you want to remove paint, you either have to hire someone or get some really expensive, huge equipment. In this case, you can only buy that little sandblaster. If you go to their page right here, they have very, very clear what the problem is. So you can see here, are you looking for a strong sandblaster at half the size? They're telling you, here's the problem. You want to use a sandblaster. A lot of people know what a sandblaster is, but they're huge and they're very expensive. Here's the solution, right? I always talk about problem, solution, social proof. Problem, right here, the sandblaster is huge. You have to pay a lot of money for it. Solution, here's the little one. And then down here, you can see all the little GIFs and all the little images that are showing you how the product works, what materials it works with, and then showing you the social proof. Problem, solution, social proof. People are ordering it, they love it. This thing is amazing. I absolutely love this thing. And then, but for hobbies and homework, it's perfect tool. It worked great. And now they're using those reviews. Obviously, I always recommend using reviews. If you want to get the best app for reviews, I recommend Luke's down in the description. Let's look at SalesSource to see how much they're actually making. 2 years ago, WeeklyP deal, if you want to go ahead and spy on their products, they're making $73,000 to $147,000 per month. Absolutely insane. This product is killing it right now and it's selling really, really well. I definitely recommend you look into it. If you look at AliExpress and you type in sandblaster or portable sandblaster, mini sandblast, you will find a lot of different listings. This one right here has 33. These are not e-packet. If you want to know if something is e-packet or not, I recommend you have the Oberlo Chrome extension here on the top, and you can show shipping info, option, e-packet, and then country United States, currency US, and then you can hide items without e-packet. So if you click right here, it'll hide all the non-e-packet right here, and all the ones that are showing are now e-packet. That's a little trick so you can check what can ship to the US quickly or what not can ship to the countries that you want to target. If we go down here on the actual listings, 1.1 thousand, 800, 400, 600, 100, 300, 200. There's a lot of different listings selling for this particular product. So it's definitely in demand in a lot of different suppliers on AliExpress. Definitely recommend you go check it out and you sell it for yourself. As far as marketing goes, what I would do is create a Facebook ad, just like the one they've created right here, a little video showing off what the product can do. So get rid of rust, paint, and dirt, just like this one. Show off what's possible with the product and what you can do with it, or highlight that problem that it is. Hey, do you need this huge sandblaster, or do you need this mini one? What I would do is target people interested in home improvement, DIY, home design, just pretty much anybody that's interested in fixing up their home or painting their home or even moving, as well as home improvement brands in the US or all over the world like Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. Just like this one. That is what I would do. Target those on Facebook ads, run a video like this, and it should be really, really good. Now, the third product that I wanted to show you is this reusable storage containers that basically remove any plastic or glass containers from your home. We're gonna see the little video right here, and you can basically store anything, any juice, any fruits, literally any product or anything that spoils in these little containers. They don't break that easily, and it's very easy to store your food, meals, etc. So let's look at the rest of the video. Microwave, dishwasher safe, and it really goes against every single container out there that you have to buy, but it has a caveat. Like if you buy a little glass container, you can't make it too hot. If you buy a little plastic container, it can't really hold your liquids that well, so these get rid of that particular problem. I thought is a great product. It solves a lot of problems that a lot of people have when it comes to storing, when it comes to taking food somewhere. And you can see here, it's just the future of food storage. They're making that little mission as to, hey, let's change food storage forever. If you look at the bottom, 1.4 million views in 2 weeks. Absolutely crazy. Just 2 weeks, more than 1 million people have already seen that. The engagement out here is a little low for that. What I'm thinking is that they have a watch page and that they're getting a lot of views from the watch page as well, not just the engagement. If we go at the page, it's not the best looking page out there, honestly. If you look at it, it's called topi.store. So if you're thinking, hey, does the name of my store, or can I still make a general store profitable? Yes. Topi.store is making a lot of money. Father's Day promotion, they haven't even changed that. And then it says reusable storage containers. Here it's a very simple page, just showing you what the product is, a little GIF about it, and then really, although the page is not the best, it's not the best looking, they do explain really well, and the description is very, very well put together. The copywriting on here, I definitely recommend you spy on that. Check out the link in the description. I'm gonna put this on there, and you can see right here, it's very, very well built and well written out, and all the pictures showing you what the product is, what it can store, what it has, and all the little features, as well as in the bottom they just showed you all the colors and all the things you can get. If we go on Salesforce, we can see that it's making $100,000 to $200,000 every single month. Domain creation says unknown. I'm not really sure why. They're using the free team Brooklyn, so if you're thinking, hey, which theme should I use, you can go with a free one like Brooklyn, Debut, Venture. I've shown a lot of stores that make 6 figures or more every month with very simple themes, no expensive themes. So you can see 100,000, 200,000 per month. And funny enough, their best-selling product is not that one. That's the second bestseller. The first bestseller is this little foldable wet and dry travel bag. I couldn't find the ad for this particular bag, but you can see here, it's a very simple bag that you can store everything. You can open it from the center, and it's also waterproof, which is very, very interesting. Here it stores all the water. Really, really cool product. That is their bestseller. That is one of the drivers of that 100,000 per month or more. Definitely recommend you check out this particular product. It's on AliExpress, really easy to find. If we go on AliExpress and we type in easy storage or reusable storage, let's type it in right now. Reusable storage, we can see here reusable storage containers, and we'll find a lot of them right here. A lot of them have 100, this one has 123 orders, not that good reviews, so probably not the best one. This one is another variation of that one. We've also talked about this one, 1,100 orders, and you can see here 37 orders. This one doesn't have that many orders. What I'm thinking is that they're using either a private supplier, a dropshipping agent, or just their own fulfillment center. For this product, you have this one 28, 19, 18, 34, 20, and 171. This one is pretty solid. So you have a lot of variations. You can choose from those and then create a video just like that one, as well as just checking out what they're doing with the video, seeing how the transition goes of, hey, this is what the product can do, this is what it can store. I'll create a video just like this one and run it on Facebook ads. Before we go on, I do want to congratulate Hester Leong for being the winner of the past video's consulting call. If you want to win a one-on-one call with me, comment secrets down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Important that you do both. I am checking. I told you I was going to show you 3 products, but I also want to show you this particular one. It's not entirely dropship, and it's not that easy to dropship. I just want to tell you what's possible when you create a product that solves a massive problem. If you go right here and we see convenient collapsible pocket-sized jewelry, this is from a page called Best Crowdfunding Videos. I definitely recommend you start following pages like this that are affiliates or work with crowdfunding campaigns on Kickstarter, Indiegogo. They promote a lot of really cool products that you can look on AliExpress, ask your dropshipping agent, ask your fulfillment center if they can make that product or source that product and then sell it for yourself. These Kickstarter products, they really just blow up to like $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, and then they get sourced by AliExpress and a bunch of people start selling them and dropship them. So let's look at the little video right here. It's really interesting. introducing outlery. So you can use this little packet of cutlery and essentially assemble it in a few seconds. Fits perfectly in your pocket, solving that problem of always having to use plastic. Like we talked in the last video, 4Ocean is trying to remove plastic from the oceans and from the world, and this is a great solution that also helps in that mission, right? People are environmentally conscious and trying to remove plastic as much as possible. This product makes it possible right here. Get cheap disposable jewelry cut out of your life forever. If we look at their campaign, it has made $1,033,000 in less than 30 days. And you can see here, they just got another order and they keep having orders and orders. 5,000 was their goal and they made $1 million. Crazy when you make even a little product that doesn't take, they probably spent less than $1,000 on this project. They've already made $1 million, and it's all by solving a massive problem. Let's look at their video right here.
This is John,
and let me put a little bit of audio on it.
Use the cherish this. We knew bigger pockets is the answer. But then our friend Darwin called us in plastic-free cutlery and chopsticks. This small box fits perfectly in your pocket and bag. It is tailored for eating in the office, on the go, and wherever life takes you. Using it again.
So they're basically saying, hey, you can use this basically wherever you want, carry it whenever you want, and eat whenever you want without using plastic cutlery. Very well built out campaign, although it's not super complicated, this huge campaign with this huge marketing budget. It is very well laid out and actually showing you, hey, this is the problem with plastic, the problem with cutlery, and now we have the solution. Problem, solution, social proof right here. Problem, solution, and then showing you, hey, this is what it can do. And then they're unlocking a new color every level that they get on the Kickstarter campaign, available colors. They also have chopsticks as well. Huge campaign. Every time I refresh it, they're making more and more money. $1 million selling little cutleries. I just wanted to show you this product. It's not as easily drop shipped as the other 3 ones that you can go ahead and sell tomorrow, but this one is very solid because it just shows you what's possible when you find a product that solves a problem and then provides a solution, a massive solution that is worldwide, and people can promote it, get back on it, and support it. So what I definitely recommend is you go ahead and follow Kickstarter campaigns, check out successful Kickstarter, Indiegogo campaigns. Why are they successful? And these pages like best crowdfunding videos, you can check them out to just see what products are popping off or blowing up right now in the market. And if you want to watch the other video that I made last month, the top 22 products to dropship right now, 22 products that'll blow your mind, check out the video right here. It's 22 amazing products. This video has absolutely blown up. It blew up my channel. People are loving it. Click that square right here or click my face on this little icon right here to subscribe. Hit that notification bell because YouTube does not notify you if you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell on the subscribe button as well and click that video